Finding the courage to change, accepting my imperfections. For many years, I felt the burden that is perfectionism. I knew that I wasn't perfect. That was my big problem. I believed that I needed to be perfect in order to be worthy of love. I got this crazy idea from someone dear to me, someone who had great expectations of me, someone who wanted me to behave in certain ways so that she would feel like a good person. Someone who felt justified in being angry when I didn't meet those great expectations. No matter what I do, I can't make someone else feel happy. When I accepted this responsibility, I was doomed to fail. They were expecting the impossible, and I was too. One day I heard my teacher say the most amazing thing. "This is a wonderful mistake. Let's look at this." I was shocked. How could a mistake be wonderful? But I could see that it was true. Everyone in class was making this mistake. We were all able to understand the correction. We all benefited. Slowly, I started to release my need to be perfect. Perhaps my mistakes were actually learning opportunities. Learning was good. Learning was movement in a better direction. The fear of making a mistake was slowing down my growth. Today I know that when I make a mistake, I'm learning. It's not my job to make another happy. I know that I don't have to feel afraid of displeasing someone. I simply admit my error and take responsibility for my actions. I can make amends. I'm learning to love my mistakes and the growth that comes from them.